Hello everyone, it's Recharger here, and welcome to a 143 scale video. In today's video we have an Opel Collections model, and this one is the Opel Olympia Kastenwagen. I don't know what the Kasten means, but wagon is basically wagon, and so this is basically a delivery styled vehicle. As you can see, sadly it has no stuff on it, what type of delivery it would be making, so this one's just a bare version. A slight issue happened before I started filming this video. I was trying to get the annoying screw loose, and I accidentally broke the base that holds the car, but I did get the screw open somewhat. So yeah, that happened. So basically we'll be tossing this this box away, sadly, but these things sometimes happen. So some information about this car. So it was manufactured from 1950 till 1953. Its top speed is 112 kilometers per hour, and it has 39 horsepowers, and it can go from 0 to 100 in 43 seconds. Those are like engine, I think, size or something. I'm not quite sure. So let's get this off. Like I said, I kind of got that part loose. I mean, the screw got, as you can see, it's trying to break off completely. So since I got the screw loose, I might as well get it off. It's the annoying triangle screw here. I was in the city, like, on Friday, on a day, 2 days ago, and I forgot to drive into the store to check for triangle screwdrivers for this, but oh well. Maybe I'll remember. I don't know, next time I'm in the city. So here's the model. The color is like this cream color. I don't know what else I would call it. Rims are super basic, with these like hubcaps and everything. Weirdly, it has like these pillars here, but no like mirrors, so it's a weird design. The front headlights are lensed. The grille doesn't look very well detailed, sadly, but it is what it is. It has a plastic base. The body is metal. I'm wondering if these... I think these front fenders are plastic. I'm pretty sure they are. At least they do look... Yeah, they are, because they're part of the base. You can see it here. You can see the metal, and it stops there. And it goes here, and it's like black, and then it's colored. I was feeling that it was like, not a very heavy model, but there's a nice red interior in there. There's your deeds for the back. There's like where the gas is filled up for it. These have no opening parts. They're pretty cheap, so, but I'm still liking it whatsoever. And yeah, there will be, there's a roller. It is a little bit of wobble to it. Probably needs some tire adjusting here or there, but overall I think it's nice and interesting. I do like it personally. So there you have it, guys. The Opel Kastenwagen. Yeah, that will be all. Hope you liked the video. Leave a like if you did. Subscribe. And I'll see you in the next one. Ciao.